generating 3 million euros in the past 30 days with only Google Ads Dropshipping. As you guys can see, we have generated 3 million in revenue with only spending 1 million in ad spend in the past 30 days. I will refresh this one because a lot of people are thinking, this is a scam. No, this is not a scam. As you guys can see, this is real. This is real life. If you guys can see past 30 days, last 30 days, let's do it. You will see 1 million in ad spend, 3 million in revenue. Here you see it. And here you see if I click on cost, we even scaled to 50K in spend, 35K in spend. So we're very consistent. We did yesterday 48K in ad spend again. As you guys can see, we even did it with a ROAS of 3. That means 1 million in, 3 million out. And with a ROAS of 3, we will maintain a 25 to 30% profit margin. And a big disclaimer, this is not all about my own stores. Of course, I manage a lot of stores as well from clients, but this is all about Google Ads Dropshipping. These are all dropshipping stores. They are super simple. I'm going to show you that I'm even doing it myself as well. I'm doing it live because I have one store that I'm sharing with my community that people can see what I'm building. This store generated on June 9, just yesterday, 1.78 in revenue. And as you guys can see in the ad account, on June of 9, we did 270 euros of ad spend. This means a ROAS of 6.6, which is crazy. I think this was like 55% profit margin, which is insane. And this store just started because we started the campaign, I believe, on the 22nd of May. So it's running almost 4 weeks right now. And in these 4 weeks, we have already generated 12K tracked in Google. It's way more in Shopify. And we only spent 3.5K. So this is the power of Google Ads Dropshipping. This one is totally only running on Google. But in this video, I don't want to flex all the numbers. I just want to show you guys how you can get started with this one as soon as possible. Because guys, if you're still not running Google Ads, you are burning a lot of money. So I'm really excited about this video because if you apply this, you will make way more money than the average dropshipper does, because nobody is talking about this. Only me is talking about this, and I don't have a big reach. So if you see this video, please implement the stuff that I'm teaching you, because you will be stupid if you don't do it. So I have created my report where I will explain everything how I do it. First of all, I want to talk about the blue ocean strategy that I talked about in the last video, but I just want to do a quick recap. The blue ocean strategy that I'm using are 5 steps, and I'm going to show you guys in this my report the 5 steps that you need to take, but I will show you how you can leverage it. First of all, the blue ocean strategy is all about less competitions from other dropshippers. Nobody is using this one. Everybody's talking about TikTok, Facebook. The second step is all about this because the gurus, etc., are not talking about Google Ads as well. So we have demand. That means that we are still a blue ocean in the way that we can advertise. On the third step, we use VAs to fill up the store with winning products from different people, from different stores. In step 4, what we do is we multiply by expanding to different markets. As you guys saw, the 1 million ad spend was done in maybe 10 or 12 different countries, all in US, Australia, EU. Well, and then lastly, of course, we run our special Google AI strategy that we have developed over the years. Proof that it is no bullshit. I showed you guys 1 million in ad spend, 3 million in revenue, and the new store is already generating a ROAS of 6. So now you have seen that there's no bullshit. Let's get into the material. Why Google Ads Dropshipping? You guys know the different type of segments that a market has. You have unaware, problem aware, solution aware, product aware, and most aware. With Facebook, you're most of the time targeting these kind of people when you do dropshipping. Only the most aware of the whole funnel. This part is maybe only 3% of your whole funnel. This is why the average Shopify conversion rate is between 1 and 3% for dropshippers. But brands do have a way higher conversion rate because they are also targeting middle of funnel and top of funnel. People that are not aware of their product, right? So that's something that we do with Google. With Facebook, you mostly target people that are unaware. They are scrolling on the social media just to connect with people. That's the only reason they are on Facebook or TikTok. With Google, people are already product aware and are most aware. They're already searching for the product that you want. So if you combine these two, this will be the golden opportunity to make a lot of money. If you do top of funnel with Facebook and TikTok ads, but people still don't buy, well, don't worry, you have your Google ads set up. If they are are searching for the product, they will still find you. So the combining these two is amazing. I will show you some examples that do this. I found 2 stores and I showed you one of them lastly as well. And it's called this Relief Koala. It's a beautiful store. I do love this product and I think they are killing it with this sleeping koala, and it's just an AliExpress product. Don't get me wrong, they do a beautiful job, but it's still an AliExpress product. But what I saw is if I copy their URL and I go to the ads library and I put it in their Facebook ads library, they have a lot of advertisements, 1900 advertisements. So a lot of people would think, oh, let's scale this product and let's rip this product from these guys and let's run it myself. Well, you cannot win because they are running as well on Google, and not a lot of dropshippers do this as well. You have this URL, the adstransparency.google.com, and you will have the ads library from Facebook, but then for Google. These guys are running a lot of Google ads as well. So I click here on the URL, I click on overall, and here you see a lot of Google ads they are running. I can keep scrolling. They are doing a really great job. I see YouTube ads, I see display ads, I see Google shopping ads, I see retargeting ads, I see search ads. They are running so many Google ads. So even if you rip their content on Facebook and you will start advertising for the Relief Koala, if people on Facebook don't trust it and they put on Google Relieving Koala or Anxiety Koala, these guys will show up and your store will not show up. So you are giving them free traffic. I think they will say thank you to you. I have a second one because this one is also big in the German market. It's this store, it's Orthoback. I think they do a really amazing job. They are only selling these orthopedic shoes. Everybody knows these type of products, right? You can dropship this easily. I think they're like $11. They are selling it for like $70, 60 euros. They are making a lot of money. If we go to their URL and we copy and paste this one in their Facebook ad library, you will see they are making a lot of money on Facebook with a lot of ads. 4,700 results on Facebook. They are killing it on Facebook. But they're not only killing it on Facebook. If we go into the ads library from Google, we will remove the old one and we will put in Orthoback. You will see they are running a shit ton of Google ads, like a lot. They are doing a lot of ads. So as you guys can see, I can keep scrolling in this one. They do a lot of product tests as well. You see so many retargeting ads, so many different products. It's insane. They are doing a beautiful job. So guys, if you see this video and you're the owner of this one, you're killing it. Big shout out to you. So now we have seen these 2 stores that are killing it with regular dropshipping products, and you have seen me managing 1 million in ad spend and generating 3 million of ad spend on only Google for dropshippers. How do you get started? Well, pretty easily. I have made 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Step number 1 is if you have your store up and running, you need to apply for the Google Merchant. Go to merchant.google.com, apply for it using the Simprozis Google Shopping fee. A lot of people will ask me now, but Jesper, this is hard to do. I don't know how. Well, just join our community. We have the whole checklist in the community. Here you see the checklist, the Google Merchant suspension checklist, plus a recording how we even do it live for our own store. So that's why I would really recommend you guys to join the community. It's a link in the bio. But let's move on. After you have applied the Google Merchant, you will see that we have active ads and active products. And this means if they are active, these are all SKUs. So if you have, like, let's say I'm selling here lamps with different sizes, different colors, all the different SKUs are one product. That's why it says so many products. If you have applied it, we need to go to step number 2, and that's what I call the product importing flywheel. Now you need more products on your store, right? You want to run more products. So what I do, I always hire VAs that are Shopify product listers. You will see them for $5, $7, $5 per hour. And I just give them a big sheet with competitors on Facebook that are killing it on Facebook. And I will put these products into my Google store because they are already generating a lot of traffic on Facebook. And I want to steal that traffic because they are stupid. They don't run Google ads. So what I do, I put them in here and they will import it in my store one-on-one, but I don't want to claim a DMCA. A DMCA takedown means that Shopify takes down your store because of copyright infringe. I have my custom ChatGPT prompt. I share this one in the school community as well. You can click on this one. You will see my ChatGPT prompt. It rewrites the whole product description, plus it optimizes it for Google. So now you have your product flywheel on, you have your Google Merchant up and running. Now we need to run the ads. So here you see I create the ads. I will put it on the targeting country that I run to. 2022. This is when I started. I started with 80 euros per day in the Dutch market. Yeah, that's it. This is just how I run the Google Ads. Of course, I'm not going to show you the whole strategy. If you want to see the whole strategy, join the community. Now we're talking about the community. I will show you what's happening in there as well, because what you guys can see, because a lot of people will ask me, yeah, but Jesper, do you show everything? Yes, I show everything. If you guys can see the wins, even Austin, that started running with Google Ads, doubled his sale while he joined the community. He first made 10K a month only with Google Ads, and now in the last 13 days, he already generated 10K already, just by using our PMax strategy. And you guys can see here as well, Jeffrey, that joined the community lately, he uses our strategy and is sitting at a 5x ROAS with his first 1K day after implementing it. And now you're like, yeah, but how can I implement it? Well, pretty easy. On Classrooms, you will see all the recordings. In the week 1, we do the masterclass about Google Ads. We do the product research. In week 2, we set up the Google Merchant. In week 3, we set up the Google Ads. So that's exactly 22 of May. That's where we set up the Google Ads. 1 week later, we scaled the ads. And now in this week, we already scaled the ads as well. And that's why I showed you in these days, in 22 May till June 11, we already made 11.5K, but in Shopify, it's way more. I believe it's 18K. So we already running Google Store profitably with 30% margins. If you want to see what type of products we're selling, what type of market we are doing, how our PMax campaign structure looks like, please click in the link in the bio. You are able to join the community. Please make sure that you understand every 10 members, we increase the price. So now we will increase it to 139 at 120 members. So the next 5 members can lock in a cheaper price. If you lock in this price, you will stay there forever. But yeah, guys, this is how you can make a lot of money with Google Ads Dropshipping. If you don't run Google Ads, after seeing this video, you will stop everything that you're doing. Make sure that you apply for your Google Merchant Center. If you have troubles, please join the community. We will fix it with you. And even if you want to have your ads run by us, just reach out to us and we will make sure we will run your Google Ads and we will scale you to the moon. I see you in the next one. Peace.